All right, so if you ever want to know how people get businesses up and running in minutes, I'm going to use AI to build a business from scratch. We're going to build the website, we're going to build the automation, and if I have time, we're maybe even going to build a live chatbot. We're going to use ChatGPT. I'm sure you've already heard of ChatGPT or OpenAI, and then we're going to be using GoHighLevel. Okay. The very first thing that we want to do is we want to you go to Google and you go to chatgpt.com. And if you don't already have an OpenAI account, then you want to sign up. It's the typical way that you sign up with anything else. Once you sign up, you're going to get to this screen. Now, I'm going to say, hey, chat, let's say we want to start a digital product business where we sell digital products and services to people, like creating websites and creating ebooks, and we do some coaching as well. So I'm going to say, hey, chat, I want you to create a prompt, and you can steal all of this for a digital for lovable Lovable. That's where I'm going to build the website at. And I'm going to show you a version in Go High Level as well, Lovable and GHL. I'm doing, I'm looking to build a digital product based business where I sell done for you products as well as coaching and consulting. Take on, and this is very important right here, take on the persona of a 25-year experienced marketer and online business owner and consultant. You are advanced at sales, reasoning, messaging. You are advanced sales messaging and feature and benefits. I need you to create the prompt that will create the full websites. Then I need you to create a workflow that simply books a call with them using Go High Levels workflow AI system. So the workflow, create a workflow prompt. So the workflow goes like this. Now, the only reason that I know about the workflow and how it should go is because I've actually built them, and I do build them for businesses. First, they fill out a form, a contact is created, then a tag is created, then an internal notification, then a then a call, then an outbound SMS, then an outbound email, then a 2-minute wait, and if else statement. If they reply, then that ends the workflow. If they reply to the email or text. If they don't reply to the email or text, I want to use the um, call connect feature in high level. So what the call connect feature allows you to do is that it allows you to, once someone fills out a form, it allows you to automatically place an outbound call to them or at pretty much at any time in the pipeline for the most part. All right, boom. So it's gonna create the website prompt for Lovable, the website prompt for high level, and the prompt for the workflow that's going to actually deliver the products, right? Or if someone comes in and on your site and fills out a form. And I'm showing you that you can build these things fairly quickly. All right, got the Lovable prompt. All right, Lovable prompt. Boom. Put that in, let it go to work. Lovable is going to work. So Lovable is a vibe coding platform, not an affiliate of this platform as well. Is a vibe coding platform that allows you to build out websites and mobile apps and different things like that. And vibe coding is essentially where you're just on the left side, you in plain English tell it what you want it to do, as we just did, and then on the other side it builds it out for you. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, and then for Go High Level. Okay, so was this supposed to be the same one for High Level as well? Okay, so and sometimes AI messes up because it didn't give us what it gave us was the Go High Level workflow, but it didn't give us. I also need the Go High Level website prompt. Let's go. And I want you to understand that you can start a business very quickly, but you need to know the right tools. And this is the things that I'm actually teaching inside of my school. Like I'm showing you how to build your business and acquire your first customer. Because no one showed me. I had to learn all these things on my own. And now with AI, it's easier than ever to start your business. You don't need an agency to build your website. You don't need all these things unless you want to. And sometimes people just don't want to do the things that we're doing because I mean, I just don't. So they pay people like me, they pay agency, they pay other companies. But I just want to show you what's possible. So, all right. So for high level, all right. Uh, and this is a Tesco high level account. Now I'm going to duplicate high level really quickly. Duplicate this, add new page, the product site, DPS. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's see how our other side is going. Lovable is still building it. All right, we're back. All right, so there it is. I was gonna build that, and now let's go to to build workflows. You go to automations, and like I said, this is a test account. I don't have anything built inside of here. So high level, just Lovable should be done. Lovable is done. Look at that. Lovable is done. Lovable is done. Enable autosave. Oh, why are you doing that? Skip for now. Build using AI. What are we doing? I want you to know how like easy it is, right? And I'm going through and doing everything. And that if you heard that notification, that means the high level site is done. Now, here's the thing with high level, the AI builder, sometimes it denies you. But let's look at our sites. Let's look at our sites. Let's save that. Let's look at our sites. Transform your business with expert design digital solutions. Look at this. The site is done. Pictures, everything. All like, of course, you got to put a form in there. Y'all tell me which site is better. Drop in the comments. Tell me which website is better. I like the Lovable one better. Oh, and this one is done. This is done. And I like it. I like looking at it in the advanced workflow builder. It's done though. What did I tell it to do? I said form, create and update the contact, tag the person, digital product lead, send an internal notification, send an SMS, send an email, wait. If the contact replies in the workflow, and if the contact doesn't reply, attempt call connect, specific number. And then it says call answer, yes or no. We did it. So listen, if you want to learn how to do this for your business, for your own business, and how to actually use these tools and put in, because you got to fill out all these fields and you got to make sure they work right and you got to test the workflows and things like that. So if you want to learn how to do this in your business, click the QR code, or you want to start a business where you're doing this, click the QR code and join my school community today. Peace and blessings. We just started a business and we just got a website for the business and did the back end automation. This is an automation, all with AI, all done with AI right in front of you. We got it done in like 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Peace.